Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I want to tell you the amazing and inspiring story of artificial intelligence. This is the story of how people with big dreams change the world with their ideas. It is also the story of struggle, patience and never giving up. The story begins in 1950s. At the time, computers were very new and very slow, but there was a British mathematician named Alan Turing. He asked a very powerful question: can machines think? This was not just a question, it was the beginning of a dream. Turing created something called the Turing test. The idea was simple. If a machine could talk to a person and the person could not tell if it was a machine or human, then the machine was intelligent. This idea started the journey of artificial intelligence. A few years later, in 1956, another brilliant scientist named John McCarthy organized a special meeting at Dartmouth College in the United States. Many scientists gathered there to discuss how machines could become intelligent. At this meeting, John McCarthy gave a new name to the dream. He called it artificial intelligence. That was the official birth of AI. People were very excited and many believed that in just a few years machine would be as smart as humans. But reality was different. Computers were very slow and very expensive. The progress was very slow. Many projects failed, many people lost hope. Governments and companies stopped giving money for AI research. This period became known as the AI winter. It was a time of disappointment. Many scientists left the field, but some never gave up. They continued work quietly, believing that one day AI would succeed. That belief became true many years later. Around the year 2010, a big change happened. Computers became faster, we had much more data, and a new method called deep learning became popular. Deep learning means that a computer can learn from example, just like humans learn from experience. Three scientists, Jeffrey Hilton, Joshua Bengio, and Ian Lacan, worked very hard on this idea. Because of their work, AI became powerful again. They are called the godfather of artificial intelligence. Suddenly, artificial intelligence could do amazing things. It could recognize faces in photos, understand speeches, translate languages, and even beat humans in games like chess and Go. The dream of intelligent machine was not longer just a dream, it was becoming real. In 2015, a new organization called OpenAI was created by people like Elon Musk and Sam Altman. Their goal was not only to make AI powerful but also to make it safe for all of humanity. From OpenAI came one of the most famous AI system in the world, ChatGPT. ChatGPT can write, explain, answer questions and even tell stories. Millions of people around the world use it every day. Today, artificial intelligence is everywhere. It helps doctor find disease, it helps teacher explain lessons, it helps driver with self-driving car, and even it helps artists create music and paintings. AI is not just technology anymore, it is part of our daily lives. So, what is the lesson from this story? The lesson is that big dreams often start with simple questions. Alan Turing asked, can machine think? And that question changed the future of the world. The lesson is also that progress takes times. There were years of failure, years when people lost hope, but the dream never died. And the lesson is that if you believe in your idea and never give up, you can achieve something that changes the entire world. Artificial intelligence is not just only about machines, it is also about humans' imagination, creativity, and courage. It shows us that when people dream big and work hard, even the impossible can become possible. Thank you so much for listening to this story. I hope you enjoy it and also hope you learn new English words and sentences from it. If you liked this story and want to hear more, please subscribe and join me again for another inspiring English story.